Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon once again. My name is Esther. I work for Smart, and I believe everybody in this room knows Smart in one way or another. Kuna mtu hapa ajui Smart? The people of the fingerprint. So you all know Smart. So I'm not going to talk about medication today. I'm going to talk about a little bit about tech in the pharmacy industry. And the role technology is playing to amplify pharmacy management. You want to talk about next? So we will be discussing how tech can improve efficiency, medication safety, patient outcomes through digital innovation. So Smart, next. Smart is a Pan-African company that has been existing for the last 22 years, and our role has been to innovate around healthcare. Our vision is to create meaningful, human-centric innovation for all, and we do that by making sure that every day we simplify access to healthcare, empowering you to make informed decisions. Our footprints, for the last 22 years, we have a Pan-African healthcare network footprints, where currently we are serving 12 countries. Of course, we started off in Kenya, so Kenya is leading in the number of providers that use our system. We have close to 10,000 providers. This includes hospitals, pharmacies, dentists, clinics that we serve through our network. And currently, we have close to 7,000 providers in Kenya, and recently we were able to open Ethiopia and Mauritius. Next. I think you jumped one. Yes. A transformation that journey in healthcare has been wonderful. So we've been able to serve 12 countries, about 10,000 healthcare providers. We serve over 80 medical aid schemes. For Kenya, we are serving every insurance companies, TPAs. We have international IPMIs. We serve different brokers like Minet and many others. And we're also serving many HMOs across our network. And currently, we have a proven record of giving 30% saving in healthcare. We're making sure that we're able to control fraud in medical management. So, as we do that, we have innovated around healthcare. When we started off, we were known with our flagship product, which is called MediSmart, where the insured members could come to seek healthcare services at your healthcare provider, your pharmacist, and you're able to identify the cover that the patient has, and you're also able to give them service through their cover remits. However, as we went on through innovation, we're able to see the pain points even that pharmacies are facing. And modern pharmacies is no longer just about dispensing medicine. They are critical hubs for patient safety, inventory intelligence, and healthcare decision making. So the future of pharmacies is no longer digital, connected, and data driven. We are able to improve medication safety. You're able to reduce your stock losses and expiries. You're, of course, able to make sure that you enhance your regulatory compliance, increase your operation efficiency, and, of course, at the end of the day, deliver better patient experience. So the current challenges that our pharmacies are facing in the modern technology, next, is where you, as you dispense your medication or you work through the pharmacies, you're facing a challenges where you have to do your inventory tracking manually. You also have challenges where your medicine probably expires if you're not able to track them through the system. You have a challenge of running through stockouts, overstocking, prescription errors, poor visibility across your different branches, delayed procurement process because you're not able to track if you don't have system. Sometimes you have challenges of revenue leakage, weak audit trails, and fragmented system. So all these challenges have brought the need to actually innovate around pharmacy management. And what does technology do around pharmacy management? So what technology is supposed to bring in pharmacy management is make sure that you have smart inventory. You have real-time stock visibility of knowing what medications are moving fast, what do you still have in stock. You're also able to do batch management very well. You're also able to track expiry for your medication, automate your record, the order levels. Also, through technology, you're able to do intelligence dispensing, where you're able to manage your prescription electronically. You're able to do barcode verification, clinical decision support, drug interaction alerts. You're also able to get in data, analytical data that is able to give you trends on your consumption, your fast-moving drugs, your procurement forecasting, so that you can be able to make decisions on how to procure and what to have in stock. At the end of the day, you're able to manage your cost. Of course, a lot of integration to your EMRs, especially the ones who are running pharmacies within healthcare providers. Your billing process is also, you're able to integrate your billing systems. Your insurance patient, you're able to manage them well. RAB and procurement, procurement, RAB, finance integration. That is also able to be managed through the smart system. So today, we shall be introducing our new innovation. We now have a pharmacy management information system we are calling Smart PharmaLink that is bringing to you different capabilities that you can use the system within your facility. One of the things that our system is able to give you is inventory intelligence, where you're able to have livestock visibility, you're able to manage your inventory, you're able to track your batching, you're able to track your drug expiry, automated reorder levels. All that will happen through our new pharmacy ERP that we'll be launching today called PharmaLink pharmacy system. Next. So what is the future of pharmacy? What does the future of pharmacy look like? Of course, future of pharmacy is going to be driven around artificial intelligence, where you're able to have predictive inventory management, clinical decision support. AI is the future of healthcare. The future of technology is on mobile pharmacy, where you're able to do e-prescription, and you're able to deliver medication to the patients wherever they are, so that somebody does not have necessarily need to come to your pharmacy physically to seek medication. The future of pharmacy, of course, is on cloud pharmacy platform, where you're not forced to have your system on premise, and you can have them hosted on cloud, and the only thing you are able to do is just to have an instant of that system through within your pharmacy. So this morning, we are happy to introduce our PharmaLink system, and I wanted to talk about some data. This is real life data, and I know the people for Cipradol and Panadol were here yesterday and today, and you can see the trends that we are able to give different pharmacies. This is live data for 2026, so it's able to give you the top 5 branded drugs that were top 5 dispensed within the year 2026. You can see Augmentin, Panadol, and I think Cipradol with the show they had here. It's really, the data does not lie. And the top 5 generic composition dispensed in the year 2025. So this is among the information and data that we're able to give you through our smart platform. And to do this, you can't do this, you can't achieve all this if you have manual system. And therefore today we shall be introducing our new pharmacy system, PharmaLink. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor to join you today as we launch our PharmaLink system, a solution that is built to empower pharmacies through smarter operations, better inventory management, a system that is supposed to ensure that you are complying to the regulatory requirement, and at the end of the day, improved patient care. As Kenya accelerates its digital healthcare transformation and advance the universal healthcare coverage, pharmacies have increasingly playing an important role in ensuring that medicines are accessed safely and efficiently to every patient. As Smart application, we are proud to support this nationwide vision with technology that enables better healthcare delivery. We also recognize that KPA is a strategic partner in delivering excellence across the pharmacy profession, and we believe that by working together, we can accelerate the digital adoption, strengthen pharmacy practice, and create lasting value for members at healthcare ecosystem. And at this point, I'm pleased to announce that we are in discussion with KPA to formalize this partnership through a memorandum of understanding, which will provide a framework for collaboration, innovation, and capacity building. And to mark this important milestone, I'd like to invite a few people on the stage. Kindly, the leadership of KMA, so that we can launch our PharmaLink system. Leadership of KMA Association, I don't know. Yeah, KPA, sorry. I was in another forum last week, that was KMA. KPA's leadership. Kindly join me at stage so that we can launch our new PharmaLink system, the president of KPA, and the Smart team who are here, so that we can do our launch quickly. Now we are studying between the team and ranch. The president wasn't here. So for KPA members, we are happy today to introduce a cutting-edge technology in pharmacy management. Today we are introducing our PharmaLink ERP. So celebrate with us. And in 1, 2, 3, we introduce our Smart PharmaLink system. So today we launch our Smart PharmaLink ERP pharmacy management system. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, KPA team members. You can visit us in our booth, where we shall be able to take you through the system. And we have an offer for the first 30 customers who will take up our PharmaLink system. We will be extending a discount. If you register with us and get the system today, we'll be extending a discount to you. Thank you so much. So thank you so much for that. So the future of pharmacy is in tech. Visit our booth, and then we can take the conversation from there.